Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm super excited to review an absolute beast of a gaming PC, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're a serious gamer or someone looking to get into VR gaming, you're definitely going to want to check this out. Let's dive in. First off, the design. This PC is a stunner. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR has a sleek, modern design with a clear side panel that showcases the impressive internals and customizable RGB lighting. The case is well ventilated, ensuring that your components stay cool even during the most intense gaming sessions. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. This rig is powered by the latest Intel Core i9-13900KF processor, clocked at 3.0 GHz. This CPU is a powerhouse, delivering lightning-fast performance and the ability to handle multiple tasks with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing some heavy-duty video editing, the i9-13900KF won't let you down. Paired with this CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory. The RTX 4070 is a monster when it comes to gaming performance, allowing you to play the latest AAA titles at max settings without breaking a sweat. Plus, it's VR ready, so you can immerse yourself in the latest virtual reality experiences without any hiccups. Memory and storage. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR comes with 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is more than enough for gaming and multitasking. DDR5 is the latest in memory technology, offering faster speeds and improved performance over its predecessor. For storage, you get a 1 TB NVMe SSD, ensuring super-fast load times and plenty of space for all your games, applications, and media. Connectivity. This PC is Wi-Fi ready, so you can connect to your network wirelessly without any hassle. It also comes with a variety of ports, including multiple USB 3.1 and USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and audio jacks, giving you plenty of options for connecting peripherals and accessories. Software. The CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed. Windows 11 brings a fresh new look and feel to your PC, along with new features and improvements that enhance your gaming and productivity experience. The new direct storage technology in Windows 11 also ensures that your games load faster than ever before. Conclusion. In conclusion, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a top-tier choice for gamers and VR enthusiasts alike. With its powerful Intel Core i9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card, 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, and 1 TB NVMe SSD, this PC delivers outstanding performance, speed, and reliability. Add in the sleek design and customizable RGB lighting, and you have a gaming rig that's as stylish as it is powerful. If you're in the market for a new gaming PC, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR should be at the top of your list.